Oh, okay. Good job. Oh, wow. You know you're only 1 year old in 3 months. You know that, right? You know that, right? she not she don't finish with her spoon, you know, she empty that, you know. What you having for breakfast? Ooh, is that strawberry oats? Is that your favorite? Is that your favorite? Huh? Yeah, so cute, right? So adorable. Good, amazing girl. When you miss your loved ones, them, you know, you can never forget the ones you love, you know? Yeah. It's your boy, Danny British, you know? Yeah, man. If you watch this, Happy New Year to you, see me? Happy New Year. We survive. Yeah. A couple friends me have them not survive this year. You see me? Rest in peace to them. Man like RM. Lego tree now. Dog, where you gone for? Tell me where you gone for. Peace, you. Jano. The other day, no, she went there with me, cause right now, me in the streets, I went there right just with me, brother. You see me? I wish me could have talked to him. I wish I could have hear what me I say right now. You see me? The other day, me in my blood clot place. And I go through some clothes. And I find the 3 tanks top them where you buy for me. When you go New York. And I just I said, Jaja. Rest in peace to my virgin to blood clean. See me? You come a foreign and you make how much money, my G. Yeah. Trust me. So just there. And if you have a life, appreciate it and give thanks to life. You see me? Trade. Danny British. High grade herb. Under me herb. Smoke until I'm so high. High. Flocking with birds. Calm down my nerves. Think like nerds. High. Strand. Under me herbs. High in the sky like birds. High grade herbs. Calm down my nerves. High outside the universe. Under me herbs. Me a smoke from sunrise until I see the moon. Book a trip with NASA. Fly to the moon. Read my zodiac. Tell me where the dollars at. Gotta get that cash. Spend it then I make it back. The highest grade I want me smoke. Now makes me think with no cope. Got money on my mind. Sipping fine wine. Roll it telling time. Diamond rings, roll it in iron. Light and burn it up. High grade blaze and turn it up in iron. Light and burn it up. High stern red when hurts. Under me hurts. Smoke until I'm so high. Ain't nothing changed but the change. Still a sail smooth in the range. Them can't tie me in them chains. My money out of them range. Them lifestyle need to rearrange. They move crazy, them derange. Them worse than a mongrel with a mange. Free like the bird out the cage. Never have it upset and getting on a rage. I pretend like me I act on the stage. I always know the way I got you in a life is just a phase. Yeah, better days. Just practice better ways. Sit down and think about better plays. Nah, give them no one. Yeah. Danny British. Yeah. The Brits. Me high as a bumbo clot.
Cock that motherfucker back,
Everybody asks, Who is it? Everybody wanna know. Who is me? Everybody asking. Who is it?
Barring this, you know? Smoking in the car.
Who is me?
Chile.
Danny British, driving hardest. Couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me. Clocks on feet like a London street. You know see?
The great Danny British. Who never make it in a magazine yet. So my daughter can say, yeah. Our daddy achieved great things in her life. Can you make me know? What are we doing now?
We're buttering up the dinner rolls with some butter and garlic. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some little dash of like Italian seasoning on the top of them. You know, make them extra.
Italian.
Let's butter these things up, man. Yeah. Cut open and taste it.
Christmas dinner, you know? Yeah, just I keep it with a salad today. Nothing. I got joke, me I make a joke, me I make a joke, me I make a joke, me I make see the ham there, see the ham there, see the ham there, see the Italian bread with the top. Yo, it's your boy Daddy British. I mean, tell you, the five black, the five back, the blackberry, bro. Who go make me five back, the blackberry? Oh Lord, I watch it though. Yeah, it work, you know. See it there? It's at 1:30 December 25th. I don't know joke. I don't know joke. Right now the WhatsApp pictures them what me I see. Hot. Christmas. You know. Baked beans, you know my thing that. Merry Christmas. And then you don't know. That one you name Dexter Christmas tree. Mom's over here today. Shelling our food. What you make? Yeah. Hawaiian in style. They call that the Hawaiian Italian flavor. Damn, we don't get to see the cookie, man. We just shell it down and then we start realizing that we owe. So it was like, so we start. We decide to conserve the last cookie, and the last cookie we decide we take it easy, man. You know how much I want 6 cookies I made last night or 8. So last night we eat 7 cookies. Between last night and this morning. 12. Between, not even last night, so just call it this morning, because I wait up in the night with it finish. 12 cookies. Next day, not even half, quarter cookie left. And everybody does a pinch off the one cookie.
400 pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom, I say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me I move, me not touch Whitney. Burn a rape a boy and kill a boy, we touch Pitney. Bad mind and corruption, fi flush quickly. Dirty politicians swear man of them sick me. Me a touching at the place, money I fi spend. Red wine boost me up, no need supplicant. I did that grow with them so I can fuck with them. Walk round 5Gs, such a park. Burberry 590, me pay for that. 190, me pay for the burbs at GG4, want me smoke, me can't move right now. Couple investments can't lose right now. Me private plane, me cherish the pilot. Tell him to touch the island. High maps, load up Pro Tools, dog, where's the iLock? Pass me ledger, make me go trade the crypto. How that girl let her move up her hips up. You can't tell she were exposed to Calypso. Or maybe she grew up on dancehall. And me know I say me really want her. Yes, I spade me a pop, bubbly. All these girls looking so lovely. Licks off hit, money off make. We take a boy life, just take a sec. One phone call or just a text. Prime time.
Lobster. Lobster and scallop fries. Be careful. My hair hurt your finger. Hot.
But then he reappears on Instagram
See that?
with an emoji over his face. You're lost. You understand you're living